Most men think ejaculation is simple, but that's actually not true. The male reproductive system includes the testicles, which are responsible for producing sperm. These testicles connect to the vas deferens, a tube that transports sperm forward. It carries sperm toward the ejaculatory ducts. The ejaculatory ducts open into the urethra. Semen then enters the urethra. From here, it exits the body. During ejaculation, semen follows this exact pathway. It moves rapidly through the vas deferens. But sperm alone does not form semen. There is more to it. The seminal vesicles and prostate add fluids. These fluids nourish the sperm. They help sperm survive and stay active. Together, sperm and fluid form semen. This entire release is called ejaculation. A fast process, but incredibly complex.